Serviced here, originally bought here, potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. Santorini black metallic exterior and ebony/tan stitch interior. Carfax 1 owner, Jaguar certified, clean, great miles 6,843. Fuel efficient 27 mpg highway/22 mpg city. Nav system, moonroof, heated seats, premium sound system, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, turbocharged engine. Discover the Luther Advantage. The Luther Advantage is a complete and comprehensive package of benefits designed to make buying and driving a vehicle from the Luther dealerships a pleasant and convenient experience. From the peace of mind that comes with a 5-day 500-mile return or exchange policy, 30-day 1,500 miles full warranty and 60-day 2,500 miles limited powertrain warranty and free Carfax reports and clean title guarantee on pre-owned vehicles, as well as providing Luther customers with full range of valuable discounts at participating holiday station stores including 10 cents off a gallon, $6 for the works car wash among other advantages and guarantees. As much as we like satisfying customers, we like keeping them even more. Buy with confidence. 6-year/100,000 mile premium limited warranty, 165-point inspection and reconditioning, 24/7 roadside assistance, vehicle history report, no deductible, balance of original 4-year/50,000 mile warranty. Check whether a vehicle is subject to open recalls for safety issues at safercar.gov.